Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. Today I want to show you another way to upload code to my EnviroNode that is on Kickstarter and waiting for your support. So do please check it out, and if you like it, support me because I'm not there yet, and I need, or I would like to get this funded so I have a few people that pledged for it, and I would love to be able to supply them their EnviroNode. So as you see, it's not plugged in obviously, and it's running my the matrix screensaver code just as an example. And here's my phone, and I click on hold on Wi-Fi and select the ESP here, connect to it. It says connected, can provide internet. Obviously it has no internet by itself, and sometimes you have to check because it goes back to your home network. And then I go to the shortcut that I created, click on it, and here you see it. And I did upload or I transferred the bin files to my phone, and here I select Enviro, current password just 345, and then it says choose file. I click on it, I click on media picker on the bottom, let's select the stock ticker, update, and it did updated it, yes. And you can see here is the stock ticker app. Of course, if you like to use this code, you can change the stocks. I just have Apple, Bitcoin, Tesla, and Microsoft as an example. And yes, so this is another way to upload code without a computer at all and without being connected to your home Wi-Fi, because the EnviroNode creates this access point AP Wi-Fi, access point Wi-Fi, and your phone connects to that. And that's why it says no internet, because if I would connect it to my home Wi-Fi network, I would obviously have internet. So this is another way to upload code, as I said, and I'll make it real short today. This is it. So please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and so you get updated on future code demos and other features that I will show you, and so you won't miss anything. And please do check out my Kickstarter campaign page, and if you like this, if you would like to have it, please support me there. I really need your support. So thanks everybody for watching, and take care.